From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
To differentiate this root function, we simply use chain rule. So y equals, we can rewrite this as x squared plus square root of x squared plus 1 all to power 1 over 2. So using chain rule, we multiply by the power and subtract 1. So we have 1 over 2, subtract 1 from this, we have x squared plus square root of x squared plus 1. If you subtract 1 from half, you get minus half, multiplying the derivative of the inner function. So in the inner function, we have a quadratic function and a root function, that is a square root function. And so if you differentiate x squared, you have 2x plus, if you differentiate square root of x squared plus 1, you have 1 over 2 x squared plus 1, subtract 1, you have minus 1 over 2. You differentiate the inner one, you have 2x, because differentiation of x squared is 2x. These two can go with this. And so now we can rewrite things in proper way. For this is the same as 1 over 2 square root of x squared plus square root of x squared plus 1. And what we have here is the same as 2x plus x over square root of x squared plus 1. If we multiply this together, our final answer will be the y, the x. Mind you, we have been differentiating. Will give us 2x plus x over square root of x squared plus 1 over 2 square root of x squared plus square root of x squared plus 1. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.